All right, man. First starting this thing with mufflers, with glass packs. Come on, Torque. Move. Dude, I'm gonna smash you. Move over. It's a little quieter. Little bit quieter. All right, guys, have you guys seen in the intro, the mufflers are on. I kind of wanted to get on this. Last night I was like thinking, I'm like, you know what? The muffler's a little thick. It's 3.5 inches in diameter, and I'm already tight right there. So I'm like, man, you know what? I need to get on it, and I need to check if everything's gonna fit. So I got on. I got home from work. Got underneath, cut some of my my exhaust, the pipe, and then just mocked it up, and everything looks good. I have easy over 1/2 inch of clearance from everywhere, so that's good. It makes me feel a lot better. I turned it on, as you guys saw in the intro. It sounds pretty good. Let's get in here right now and let's see again. Let's get another. Let's start. Like I said, it's a little quieter, and it almost has, how do I explain it? It does have like a little deeper roar, Feels all right. So I'm happy with it. All right, guys, check it out, man. I got mufflers put in. I did have to put in my OEM exhaust manifolds here. The cats, there's no cats in there. They're basically free flowing. Just left the canister there. I did that a while back just in case I got like state reft or something. I left them on there, so it's free flowing. This is like originally when I got it, I took them off, killed off the cats in there, made it free flowing. But the reason I took them off is my headers were coming down to about like right here, the long tubes, and I was gonna have to run another piece of pipe, like a mid pipe, at least to right here, and then put this muffler. But what I was going to do that, but where I ran into a problem is that my floorboards, I don't know if you can see it, they kind of dip down here, and that means I was gonna have to run a pipe here and then kind of dip down a little bit, and my muffler was gonna be kind of, come on, Torque, get out the way. My muffler was gonna be kind of hanging, and more than likely I was gonna be scratching all over the place. So that's the reason why I went with my exhaust manifold. Talk to Lon, it's a free flowing exhaust is a free flowing exhaust. You get what I'm saying? And I'm not making I'm not making huge amounts of power. Eventually, when I'm making huge amounts of power, it's going to be more than likely going to go turbo out the bumper there, that pipe. But I'm going to do a test run, see how everything looks. For more than likely, it's going to, be very similar to when I had the long tube. Yeah, but that's the reason why I went for the exhaust manifold. No cats in there. Small little piece of pipe right here. Muffler and a dump. Boom. Nice and short and sweet. Get everything out as quickly as possible, and booyah. So there's my mufflers, man. Like I said, I'm happy with it right now. Let's see how it feels out on the road, how it sounds. Let's see. So other than that, I'm gonna get these things welded more than likely next week, to be quite honest with you. The week's already coming to an end, and I got some things to do. I'll get those things welded on, get that squared away. I still gotta come and take care of the inside. I got carpet coming in here. I'm still in the process. I'm remove as much sound deadener as I possibly can. I got carpet. I'm gonna lay it down, cover everything up, and that should kind of get me, I guess, yeah, past inspection. Although the carpet wasn't on the list there, but I know that I've seen some for street car classes. Some of them do require carpet. OEM dash, doors, windows, mufflers. So yeah, that's that with that. Oh, as far as my Lund tuning, man, it's the easiest tune I've ever done. I literally got the tune, went on a run without nitrous, did the pull, sent it to him. He said it looks beautiful. Told me to shoot nitrous. Went in there, shoot nitrous, put nitrous. Just waited on the E85 flowing fuel pump for my fuel cell. Popped that in there. Went on a run, did a pull on nitrous. Same jetting and all that, which is equivalent to about 165 shot, right around there. And send it over. He said it looks good, man. You're good to go. Go to the track and try it out. So hopefully next Thursday I'm at the track. If not so, the 24th. So just like I got to tie up a few loose ends. I want to go to the track almost as ready as I feel like I'm gonna be, because when I'm there, I kind of want to talk to some people, see if I see some techs there, let them know, hey man, I'm in the class for the July 24th event. Does my car look all right? Is there just something I need? Because for the most part, I'm taking care of everything that I need to down on the list. My airbags are working as far as the airbags and the car for safety. Those are working. I bypass the system, make sure no lights are on when I'm racing. So, though I do want to ask if it's possible if I remove one seat, the passenger seat, which is this one. I don't have a lightweight seat. If I don't, not really too worried about it. My seats, you know, the race seat, obviously. Obviously, yeah, I would prefer to take that off. That's easy. What, 45, 50 pounds there that I could remove. That's considerable. But we'll see. We'll see what it goes. We'll see what they say. And then other than that, that's about it, man. Thank you guys for joining in for another video here with Diablo. Oh, and another one, guys. I forgot my wall here. I'm going to Fabulous Fords Forever. SN95 Power. If you're watching this, I'll catch you there, man. I'm excited to see who else I meet there. But other than that, go ahead and like this video, please. Subscribe if you haven't. Help me grow this channel, man. Watch the Mustang get faster. And other than that, thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys next time.